Hey everyone, and welcome to Chinese Skill Unit 10. After going through all the content in this unit, you should start to notice that you're able to introduce quite a bit of your personal information in Chinese, and the more you practice, the more natural it'll become. Up until this point, we've learned how to introduce our name, but we haven't learned how to ask the question, what's your name? We've learned how to introduce our nationality, but we haven't learned how to ask, what's your nationality? We've been asking direct yes or no questions, but haven't really talked much about how to ask open-ended questions that require some sort of explanation rather than just a basic yes or no answer. So let's start off with the basic question word 什么. In Chinese, 什么 means what and is commonly used when asking about someone's name, what they like to do, eat, and also what job they do. One of the most basic questions in Chinese, 你叫什么名字?你叫什么名字? What's your name? 叫 is a verb that means to call. 什么 means what. 名字 is the noun for name. 你叫什么名字? Literally, you're called what, or what's your name? Before, we've learned how to introduce our name using 我是 plus your name. But here, we can use the verb 叫 to respond when someone's asking us 你叫什么名字? For example, 我叫 Kyle. 我叫 Kyle. Literally translates to I'm called Kyle, whereas 我是 Kyle means I am Kyle. If you don't know what my name is, you'd have to ask me, 你叫什么名字? What's your name? And I could say, 我叫 Kyle. I'm Kyle. Another common question using the word 什么, 你做什么工作? What's your job? What job do you do? 我是老师. I'm a teacher. We've covered this question already, so I won't elaborate too much here, other than the fact that 什么 is used after the verb to create more of an open-ended question rather than a yes or no question. We can also use other verbs like 吃, 说, 喝 with 什么 to create open-ended questions like what do you like to drink? 你喜欢喝什么? What do you like to drink? 我喜欢喝咖啡. I like to drink coffee. What do you like to eat? 你喜欢吃什么? 你喜欢吃什么? 我喜欢吃中国菜. I like to eat Chinese food. What languages can you speak? 你会说什么语言? Notice that for these open-ended questions, there is no ma at the end. For example, 你会说什么语言吗? This is actually not what we're trying to express. This is more like, are you able to speak any languages at all? So if you wanted to ask, what languages can you speak? You should say, 你会说什么语言? 你会说什么语言? What languages can you speak? And for me personally, I could answer, 我会说汉语和英语. I can speak Chinese and English. You can also use 什么 to ask what someone likes to do in general. 你喜欢做什么? Here we're not asking about someone's job. We're just asking, what do you like to do? 你喜欢做什么? For me personally, I really like studying Chinese and playing basketball. So I could say something like, 我喜欢学汉语也喜欢打篮球. Previously, we've learned how to inquire about someone's nationality using the particle ma with regards to a certain country, like in 你是美国人吗? Are you American? Now we're going to learn how to ask, what is your nationality? To ask this in Chinese, we can use the question word 哪. It means which. So for example, 你是哪国人? Literally, you are which nationality? 你是哪国人? Here, 哪国 means which country. And to answer this question, you can simply just state your nationality. 我是美国人. I'm American. Or 我是 plus any nationality. Now let's have a practice dialogue together. I'll start by introducing myself, then I'll prompt you with a question. So I want you to try your best and follow along. So let's begin. 我叫 Kyle. 你叫什么名字? 我是美国人. 你是哪国人? 我32岁，你多大？我会说英语和汉语，你会说什么语言？我是老师，你做什么工作？我喜欢学汉语，也喜欢打篮球。你喜欢做什么？ Great job, everyone. If you were able to keep up and respond to the questions from our practice dialogue, congratulations. That means you've mastered Social Chinese 101, so keep up the good work. Bye bye.